So we just got to Seaside and look how cute this, look how these cute little, oh my God, look at the bathroom. It is so cute. Look at how they folded the little handkerchiefs up. And this is cute, period. And these are some towels right here. This is a cute, hey, girl. This room is so cute, guys. It has a TV. We got 2 beds. Cute little fireplace. It's a mirror right here. I am at a lighthouse, you guys. There it goes. Pretty soon you'll see the light shining, bitch. I'm so fucking tired. Like, girl.
Drumming on the beat. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me, I like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighthouse from the ocean. I send them my devotion and so much love. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I find a rainbow in the shade. The steadiest of places, a better one I saw. I said,
Guess what I see? Oh, what? Another tree. So, welcome to my vlog. If you are new here, hi, how are you? Good morning. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. If you are not, stop playing. You know what to do. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Tell me about comment down below. Full circle, those things. Because I know I really don't like you for real. Like, you already know. I don't. But, okay, period. I'm driving Oregon. I'm on the coast, coasting, cruising. Anyways, so yeah. I'm about to go to another spot. I'm not even gonna tell y'all. I got one to tell y'all, but I'm not even gonna tell y'all. Let me tell y'all. I'm about to go to Blockbusters. Ooh, the only one in the world. Ooh, okay, I told you. Okay, so follow me on TikTok if you want to watch it. And that's tea. You guys, oh my God. You guys, look. I'm in the Blockbuster. This is not cute. Oh my God. Oh, they have DVDs, okay. Well, I thought they would have like cassettes. I'm at the last Blockbuster. Oh my God. You guys, look at this. Oh my God, they got Trolls World Tour. Wow. Oh my God, is this nice? That's so nice. What is up, y'all? So we finally made it, you guys. I'm at the last Blockbuster. You guys, y'all know I'm so extra, bitch. Look at this. You guys, and they have a wall. Okay, so I'm so excited. Let me just calm down. So they have a wall with VHSs, and they sell DVDs, and like you can rent stuff. And they have like a gumball machine because I like gum. And they have t-shirts and stuff. I just can't even compose myself. Oh my gosh, they have Men on Fire. But I have it on the VHS. What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are, I don't even know, y'all. Literally, we have been like chasing mountains. We're literally in the middle of nowhere. They have like they have this hotel and the rest are like cabins. Y'all, this is crazy. But oh my god. So boom. But tomorrow, like, girl, y'all, he wanted to stay. Oh my god. And I'm down for the count. It just got me off guard. But we got a spot. Oh my god. So we found a spot to stay at, and then we're going to go to Mount Hood. It's like we are literally 1,000 feet in the air. Can you think about that? Just processing. I am 1,000 feet in the air. Okay, so but the cabins were nice. Like, the people were so nice. I mean, but you don't know, you can't be too careful. It's good. We're gonna start early. I think our issue is we started like late and we wanted to do a bunch of stuff. But yeah. So we are going to start around 9. We're starting at 9. I'm not playing. I set 3 alarms. We're starting at 9 a.m. And here's where we're gonna stay. So I will see you tomorrow with my coffee, letting you guys know the tea on day 6. Night.